guys, so I'm going to New York. I booked this trip like a couple months ago. I can't believe I'm going to New York, but my cousins are gonna come pick me up. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's charging. Yes, it is. It's her charger's broken.
Mommy gave me a broken charger.
Huh?
It's broken.
Look at it.
I literally took off my heat tech for me to be cold again. I took off my heat tech too. I'm not cold. I'm cold. What are they selling? Is that tanghulu?
Yeah, let's talk.
Ooh.
We're gonna try tanghulu.
I know. But like I haven't tried professional tanghulu. Like I made it myself and it didn't taste good.
Ooh, dessert bar. Do you think we're gonna get dessert?
Yeah, we're gonna get dessert. It's good.
Right? It's marinated too, so you can eat it.
The one I'm most excited about. The soup tastes very different from ours.
Today.
Very different.
Like how so?
It's like more, I don't know. Juicy? It's juicy, but then also it's just like different. I don't know how to explain it. Oh! Huh? This is weird, right?
The seasoning are different than ours.
What?
The seasoning are different.
Very different. Very different.
Like in a good way or in a bad way?
It's like good, but then also because you're not used to that kind of seasoning, it tastes also a little weird. But it's good. So sweet. What do you want? I want tofu. Ooh, this will look really plump.
I want tofu too. Ah!
Oh, you dropped one.
This one?
What is that?
I don't know. 不是牛肉。
Ooh.
蘿蔔嘅。
幾嚿呢一嚿咁咯。
呢度你咩蘿蔔㗎？
我咩蘿蔔？
我好大個蘿蔔嘅。好。 Tenders. Is this even our order?
I thought Sarah ordered beef.
Not order.
This is not our order.
Why go back down?
Wait. Huh?
Did you order one?
No.
No.
We ordered a lot more.
You guys, I thought Sarah ordered beef.
I ordered 3 beef and 1 chicken.
We didn't even get.
Where's my gnocchi mushroom? Ay,
This is not even our order.
what the heck?
This is very confusing.
I don't even eat 韭菜.
Ay, hi. What's up?
These fat bitches are on my bed. Ugh, they're taking out. This was be my bed originally.
Your legs
One
are cold.
person's
Your
bed.
legs are cold.
I know. This is how you know how much I don't want you on this bed.
Sharon's really warm. Go over her. It's a different temperature.
Oh, you're nice. Sharon, she's warm
She's a different temperature.
and I'm cold.
I know. I'm like, Sharon is like warm. I'm warm, and you're
Cold. Told you my body can't produce body heat like that. Guys, it's like the next morning. We were supposed to get ready around 8:30 today, and we literally did not. We slept up until like 10 to 1, and we had an appointment at 11 today for like glass making. And like it's just because we were watching a horror movie last night until like 4:30 a.m. Now we're rushing our appointment. We all literally just like rushed out the door. Our appointment's like 11. We changed it from like 12, and now it's like 11:01. We're basically late. Christy drew my pee. It's so cute. Back in the hotel again. We literally just finished dinner and then we got milk tea and then went to the food stalls we went to yesterday and got extra food. And we literally just ate lunch. Look at the food we got. Tina and Christy are out getting more food.
This is supposed to be cheesy.
It tastes like.
No,
I didn't say it
powder.
Oh, you guys use Spotify?
It's okay.
Oh, there's literally yours too.
There's water.
The water.
Where's my. Where?
Up there. No, up there.
Oh. 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 Do you have the time? Let's talk.
I got two for myself. Hey. Who's lazy here? Me?
How about you?
Yeah, what about you?
How lazy? What are you eating for dinner?
I was gonna ask.
Can you tell that we're eating while thinking about dinner?
I know, we're eating one meal and then we're already wait. This is not even a meal.
It's called snack.
Real
Okay, the
talk.
house eating cucumber. Oh my god, these people eat so much. Food, the crack and everything.
Oh, I don't see the sense.
You know, and then at the person that opened the door for us, so house, she being up, brings food, everything all day. Every time I come back in, there's so much food. Like I was like, they're well fed. Check for 2024. All going out to go get our photos taken together. Look how cute I look. With these ears, it matches my jacket.
I want to do this one. I don't want.
I want that one. No, I want that one. Okay.
I want to do the heart.
Oh, your heart, and then which one? Do you want this one or do you want this one?
Ain't this one? This one? Okay. Tracy. Okay, first one is which one? First one is this one. Second one is what? Second is this one. This one. Third one. Third one is. Okay.
Should we have fingers? Yeah.
Okay.
Now we're currently walking to Target so we can get the grapes and then we can eat them under the TV stand because there is no table in our hotel room and we're trying to get there before it closes. What time is it right now? It's 8:36 and it closes at 9. We were not able to get the grapes because it was fucking closed. Those bitches. It closed 20 minutes earlier. Like what the fuck? It closed at 9. And that's so fucking dumb. Those fucking bitches are losing out on money from us.
Right after you walk past them, you're like, oh my god, it's the car. There are people laughing at us.
Oh really?
Running. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Everyone was like, oh, 我们在躲雨. They were like this together with other people inside of the little hood. You know how the shop has that little like. They were all like this, and then all you see is us all running by. I was running really quick.
Me too.
I was like, what? They were all just like laughing at us.
Dude, you know what happened? I started running right because oh, Chrissy and Chrissy and Tracy already started running, and I was trying to run, but the freaking couple in front of us were so freaking slow.
Trash bag people?
Yes, those freaking people were so slow. And then I was like, you know what, I have to. I accidentally hit a guy, and I'm like, sorry. I started running, and you know what happened? I turned around a corner out of nowhere, because I can't see at night, right? There was a fucking puddle.
Oh, I stepped on the
And you know what happened? I stepped on it, I heard, ah! And I kept going. I kept going. I was like, ah! But I kept going. I was like, no.
Guess what?
That couple was right in front of me, so I had to move aside, right? But I didn't know there was a pit there. So I stepped right on the pit. My face turned dark, man. I was unhappy.
The rain.
Oh my god, I got FaceTime my mom. My mom's calling. Oh my god, you know what happened? When we went to the door, because you guys were still coming, right?
Mom!
And then the freaking doorman was like, guys, what happened? What are you running from? And then we're like, the rain. I literally curled my hair too, now it's all ruined. I got rainwater on my glasses. Guys, there's like 2 more minutes before 2025. We're just watching this on the TV. Oh my god, almost less than 1 minute.
It's already less than 1 minute.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look.
56.
10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Are they gonna kiss? Oh! Oh my god! Can you believe it? 2025.
It's 2020.
Another year.
January 1st.
2024 was yesterday.
Oh my god. I'm telling you guys, starting now, it's my new motto. New year, new me.
Oh my god.
Everyone says that. Oh my god, look.
I know. Or maybe I should change it. New year, better me. Where?
Right there.
Oh my god, it's fireworks! Happy New Year's, guys. Can you believe that's already 2025? I hope you guys all have a happy 2025 and all your wishes come true. See you guys next time. Bye.